In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Shopify theme from a local file in .zip format. Whether you're setting up your Shopify store for the first time or giving your online presence a fresh look, uploading a new theme can add a unique style and functionality to your shop. Let's walk through each step to make this process as seamless as possible for you. To begin, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center where you make all your customizations and updates. Launch your web browser, head over to the Shopify website, and enter your login credentials to access the administrative panel of your store. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already familiar. Next, we'll navigate over to the Themes section. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a list of options. Locate Online Store and click on it. This will expand a few more options, and from there, you'll want to select Themes. The Themes area is where you'll manage the visual aspect of your store. It's like your wardrobe, but for your website, allowing you to change up styles to better suit your brand's personality. Now that you're in the Themes page, it's time to upload the theme file from your computer. Look towards the Theme Library section. Here, you will see an option labeled Add Theme with a small drop-down arrow. Give that a click. A couple of choices will appear, but for our purpose today, you'll want to select Upload Zip File. This option allows you to add any theme files you've stored locally. A pop-up dialog box will now prompt you to choose a file. Click on Choose File. At this point, you'll need to have your theme ready as a .zip file on your computer. If you haven't done so, make sure the theme file is zipped correctly, which means all the theme's necessary files are neatly packaged in that format. Navigate through your directories to find this .zip file, select it, and confirm your selection by clicking Open. With the correct file chosen, the next step is to upload it. Hit Upload and wait as Shopify processes this upload. You'll then see your new theme added to the theme library in your Shopify admin. Success! Your theme is now part of your store's collection of themes. At this point, you can click the Preview button to get a glimpse of how the theme looks on your store. This is also where you can customize various elements of the theme to better align with your brand's image before actually making it live. The process is straightforward once you've walked through it, and hopefully this guide has helped clarify each step. Go ahead and explore the new possibilities that your theme brings to your online store. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on Shopify!